Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to be running Python in the terminal. The last time I showed you how to install Python on your computer. So just open your terminal. I already have mine on Windows or MacBook, and you just type this Python, and it will redirect you into the Python shell, and you'll see something like this version and some other information about your Python installation, and we just print hello world, and that's all. Just run Python on the computer, on your computer, on the terminal, and after that we can just type exit to leave the shell. So that's all for today. In the next video we are going to explore the Python REPL, which is the interactive Python environment. So see you in the next lesson.